I would like to call upon Dr. Kumar Gaurav.
Again, introduce myself. Myself, Dr. Jab, Vaid Nimal Ayurvedic Research and Panchkarma Center. My topic is clinical prescription for chronic kidney disease in Ayurveda. Abstract. Ayurveda is not only the one of the world's oldest system of medicine, but also is a holistic whole body in nature. The traditional medicine believe that creating this harmony can prevent illness, treat acute and chronic conditions, and contribute to a hale and hearty life. Ayurveda medicine aims to restore health by understanding the underlying causes of disease. It strives to attack the root causes and detoxifying, cleansing, strengthening body tissues, dhatus, and balancing bodily doshas, ensuring complete cure. Introduction. The kidney removes waste and extra water from the blood as urine and help keep chemicals such as sodium, potassium and calcium balance in the body. Sign and symptoms. It includes nausea, vomiting, loss of appetite, fatigue and weakness, sleep problems, changes in urine output, decreased mental sharpness, muscular twitches and cramps, hiccups, swelling of feet and ankles, present itching, shortness of breath, high blood pressure, hypertension, etc. Examination of the body in Ayurveda. Ayurveda uses the method of Ashtaved Rogi Pariksha or 8 methods for understanding the individual doshas, disease and complete permanent cure. The method includes Nadi means pulse, Mutra means urine, Mala means stool, Shabda means voice, Jiva means tongue, Sparsha means skin, Drik means eyes, and Akriti means body build. Causes of chronic kidney disease. Diabetic and high blood pressure are the most common cause of chronic kidney disease. Continuously uses of painkillers, high steroids, antibiotics and antihistamine drugs. A family history of kidney failure. Preventing chronic kidney disease. Ayurveda places great importance on one's pathya or lifestyle, which involves one's diet, physical exercise, mental well-being and other daily routines on Dincharya to improve the overall quality of life. According to this powerful science of permanent healing, following an Ayurveda, Dincharya is one of the best things that you can do to maintain body balance, prevent disease, treat all ailments and stay in complete control. Ayurveda has no side effects. Unlike Western medicine, Ayurveda treatments and medicines are free from any side effects. Adverse side effects occur in Western system of medicine due to its chemical overdose or mismatch in your primitive herbs and natural supplements from the nature. The traditional Indian medicines may be the most ancient, but it also the most effective, safest, cost-effective treatment of all. Ayurveda medicines are responsible compared to expensive Western medicine drugs. Some of the Ayurveda medicines can be even made at home from herbs and ingredients in your kitchen, making it easy and convenient. Descriptions: Punarvastak Kvad, Punarva Mandur, Praval Pishti, Giloi Sattva, Gokshuradi Gugal, Haritki Churan, Bhumi Amlaki Churan, Kasni Churan. Punarva is the one of the main medicines to prevent kidney disease because Punarva is the only medicine to activate the beta cells of kidney to improve the kidneys. Thank you to all of you. Thanks, Dr. Kumar.